All right, so check this out. I just got this in the mail, and then I got this in the mail. So they sent me additional hardware for this. I've got to get it out of the box. Let's see if it'll come out. Bam, there it is. Let's put it over here. So this is what I just got. It's a LumaFlow. It's a fan and a light. And natural wind, 360-degree rotation. Not a lot of specs on this side. But yeah, that's it. So here, let's go ahead and look and see what we got. Open her up. Oh yeah. So now we gotta kind of spill it out. I think it's got some directions or something in there. Oh yeah, it's in plastic. All right, so we gotta do that. All right, so let's go ahead and get her out of there. I'm gonna just lay it down like this and pull it. The box out of the way. I can break that. All right. All right, so let's take a look and see what we got. Okay. It's very nice, I must say. And, oh, I think it needs a little bit of, oh, yeah, see? So we just got to connect it. I don't see a ground down here. It does come with, it looks, I think this would probably be a controller. Yeah, controller. I don't know if it's got batteries. Let's look. So we got, oh shoot. It doesn't want to come off of there, does it? May need a screwdriver. It does come with some extra stuff. And let's flip it over this way for a second. So this, for some reason, came off. So I've got to see what's going on there. Oh, I see. So this has a little connector. There's a little connector on there. So you got to match it up and then twist it to get it on there. You may have to take that off because it may have something to do with the putting it on the ceiling. But yeah, that's it right there. Okay, now we got to figure this out. See if we can get this open. Doesn't want to open, does it? All right. There's the instructions. No batteries and that. So that's everything that comes with it. The remote, the unit, some screws, and the directions. Let me just double check, make sure. Yeah, that's everything. Right now all we got to do is take that one down and put this one up. Yeah. All right, so anyway, I got a screwdriver and we're going to see what's in here. I'm just going to put it in there and pop it. And we're going to definitely need some batteries. They did not give us batteries. So as you can see, we're going to need AAA, 3 A's. So I'm going to grab those and we'll put them in. I'll show you guys. Had to use that little thing to do it. All right, so anyway, here's our batteries. You got a negative side, you got a positive side. Negative side always goes to the spring. So let's just push them in there if we can, if they fit. Stuff from China sometimes does not want to let you do what you need to do. And then we're in. All right, so there's the positive side. Let me spin this. There's a positive there. So negative, negative, positive, positive. Just how it's supposed to be. And then we just go like that. And bam, Bob's your uncle. Now we're ready to use that. Set that down. These are our little screws. But I don't know if we're going to need those or not. We may. And let me just take another gander at this. See, it does move around. Makes like a rotation. You follow me? So this pivots. Let's set it like this for a second. So this looks pretty simple. I think I can take this off. I think this comes off and then I can screw that onto the plate up there. I just have to see how it does it. Because it's got, there we go. So that just comes off like that. All right, so you can see there's little hooks here. So this we're going to put up there, and then we have to, run our electrical, right? Our electrical will probably come through this, and then we'll just tuck it in, and then we'll just attach it to this. It's got these little little connectors here that it slides down. You see? I don't know if you can see it in there. Just these little channels. So it slides here and then you slide it over. I'll show you. So let's just pretend like we've got it ready to go. You just kind of slip it and then turn it. And that's it. And to get it off, I just turn it and it comes off. So that'll be easy to put on. The hard part is going to be taking that off of there. But I think it should be easy. There's just a couple screws. And then I'm just going to make sure the electricity's off when I do it. That's old style, new style. Yep. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my video where I installed this beast. Peace out.